We need a boat.
I think we need a bigger boat.
I can't believe that's going to work.
Well, it's not going to work for long.
We got a certain amount of time until it sinks.
You can kind of push it over to that wall and just feed yourself down the wall and down to that middle section, and then take the scraper sideways and run it down that wall and see if the wall goes all the way down to the ground. If your scraper hits the bottom and there's wall.
Okay.
We want to be sure that everything is nice and safe for Hoover the tiger, so we have gone into the enclosure and checked that the wire cage panels go all the way to the floor of the lake. The floor of the lake can shift, and so we want to be sure that there aren't any gaps that he could escape through. Once they make sure that everything is secure, then we will go through and take care of the more cosmetic issues like painting.
So you're saying the wood is going all the way down to the bottom?
Yeah, it goes all the way to the bottom.
We also took the opportunity to do some repairs between the two tiger enclosures so that the tigers can't see each other and can't reach each other, and yet we don't have this mess of metal. We also increased the height between the two enclosures.
It's probably going to be mucky, so watch out. Sink.
Should we draw straws now as to who's going to pull her out?
Yeah, exactly. Well, get deeper.
Does the wire go to the bottom there?
Yeah, the wire goes all the way to the bottom here. Whoa, indeed. This water is very cold.
So how about we paint the other side and call it a day?
Well, I still want to check and make sure it goes all the way across like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you want them to bring the canoe down here? Yeah. Hey, could you guys bring the canoe down to the other side of the bridge, please? It's stuck out in the middle of the lake. Where are you going?
Meanwhile, Jamie and Vern strategized on some of the ways that they could increase the security of the cage through building around the trees that are in there.
They painted all of the wire that is on this side of the fence and on the other side of the wooden fence. And now they're painting the fences that go between the tigers. This is what it would have been like if we had to build all these cages in North Carolina. The installer dropped the $3,000 camera in the tiger pond. So we're headed out to recover it before it drowns. Don't want a tiger to get it later.
They're going to install a new one, and you guys will be able to watch these cats on explore.org.
Hey, I netted my first camera!
So thanks to our supporters and big cat rescuers, Hoover the tiger will be arriving in Tampa to this beautiful new home.